Friends, so welcome to the channel, the Manish Kishneval. So, as all of you know that on this particular channel, we used to provide the review about colleges, like how are the colleges, what's their placement, what's their faculty ratings, and what their campus rating, and overall, like whatever you invest in your course. So, what will the return? Correct. At the end, you want return whatever you invest. Correct. So we used to provide the honest best review, like what's the best, what's the honest combination of both. Correct. So today I will be covering NIT Greater Noida versus GL Bajaj Greater Noida. So both of the colleges are in Greater Noida itself, and they used to provide engineering degrees. Uh, they are affiliated to AKT University, but yeah, they are offering btech courses. So NIT basically offers 26 courses for the btech itself, like and GL Bajaj offers 19 courses in btech itself. The courses and like 19 type of courses in btech itself. What does that mean? That means like btech you are doing with your computer science or chemical engineering or your mechanical engineering, civil engineering, computer science, data science, AI, ML, and all those kind of stuffs. Correct. So these are the courses which you are doing during your btech itself. Correct. So apart from that, if you talk about the history of the colleges, like NIT was established in 2001, and later on GL Bajaj was established in 2005. Correct. Both of them are private colleges, so they are not the government one. They are private colleges, and NIT has just made itself to be a deemed university. You can say like NIT will be conducting its own exam, and it will be setting up the syllabus and question papers on its own wishes. Like GL Bajaj is under AKT University, so it will have the paper and syllabus set by AKTU itself. So that's the basic difference between the NIT and GL Bajaj. So NIT is a autonomous college as well. So both of them provide UG degree, that is if you are selecting for BTech. So both of them will provide you undergraduate degree, and the duration of that BTech course will be 4 years, correct? And both of them are full time and from the classroom itself. That's not the online. If you talk about the rating, so by rating it's a 4.0 for both of them. If you talk about the placements rating, so NIT has 4.2 and GL Bajaj has 4.4. If you talk about the infrastructure, so NIT has 3.8, like it's a good placement. Sorry, it's a good infrastructure. So yeah, but GL Bajaj has comparatively a bit better than NIT, so it's a 3.9 regards of infrastructure. If we talk about the faculty, so NIT has good faculty, and they are being rated as 4.2, and GL Bajaj faculties are being rated as 4.1. What if we talk about the campus and the crowd, like how much crowd is there, how many people are there in the campus, so that is rated as 3.8 for the NIT and for the GL Bajaj as well. So both of them are at equivalent level. Value for money, like whatever fee you provide to the college, like so what is the return? So it's rated as 4.1 for both of them. When we talk about NIRF ranking for both of them, so NIT goes for 100 to 150, like it varies between 100 to 150, while GL Bajaj has NIRF ranking greater than in numeric system it's greater than, but comparatively it will be lower one. Correct. So for GL Bajaj, the NIRF ranking holds between 150 to 200. So if you talk about the NIRF ranking itself, so NIT has good ranking than GL Bajaj. If you talk about the placement, so average placements goes up to 5 lakh to 6 lakh for both of them, and the highest goes to 58 lakh in NIT and 47 lakh in GL Bajaj. If we talk about the course fee, like for your 4 year program, what will be the course fee? So for NIT, it will be 5.71 lakh for 4 years, and for GL Bajaj also, but it will be just equivalent. But yeah, if we talk about the scholarship, like in both of the colleges are in UP itself. So if you are a UP candidate, so there will be a particular scholarship which is provided by the UP government of you, or if you are coming through the JEE mains or UP engineering exam. So based on that, you might get some benefit or discounts in your total fee structure. So yeah, all those depends, correct? So yeah, this is the basic difference. And if you talk about the JEE ranks, so JEE mains rank is like, about if you have a 4 lakh or 2 lakh, so approx 2 lakh is selected. 2 lakh rank is good for NIT, while for GL Bajaj, it picks up the creamy student. Like, so it does not go up to 2 lakh or 3 lakh, it goes up to 1 lakh or 150 lakh maximum. So yeah, for GL Bajaj, if you have more than 80% at least, and 90% for the CBSE board, or if, for any of the boards, so they are considered to be selected for the GL Bajaj. Like only you can get the admission when you have 80% or 90% in your 12. So correct. So this is the basic difference that I talked about the placements rating. I talked about the faculty rating. I talked about the infrastructure, that's campus rating. I talked about the pay structure. I talked about the academics. I talked about the university papers, and like NIT is autonomous college, and it is supposed to be a deemed university, or it's just like emerging like a deemed university. So I'm just talking about that. So depends on your requirement, your whatever your background. I won't say a background. So depends on where you want to take admission, and you can visit the campus, and you can make your decision to take the admission if you are looking for that. So yeah, that's all for this. Thanks.